Product Model YSR3000. The seat comes with a 3-point safety belt. The seat belt can be adjusted according to its own needs. Adjustable seat armrest. Adjustable range of seat back 82到129. Seat with one key intake and exhaust function. Open the seat intake and exhaust switch. Inflate the seat. Seat with soft and hard adjustment function. Adjustable seat tilt angle. Adjustment range 0度到-11. The seat can be adjusted for height by pneumatic means. Press down to lower. Adjustable in 8 levels. Range of adjustment 0到100毫米. Integrated lumbar support adjustment. Horizontal adjustment function. Double locking. Adjust the stroke by 220毫米.